Hi, I'm Dave Mullard. I'm Business Development Manager at Straightpoint, and each week I'm bringing a new technical tip on one of our products. This week we're going to be looking at the handheld display, and the handheld display can connect to any of our standard wireless load cells. Now, this tip was inspired by one of our distributors. They had a customer who was using compression load cells, that's this type, and they were weighing aircraft on them. Now, the problem that they had was they needed to use around 20 compression load cells, and by the time that they'd set up all of the 20 load cells with the handhelds, by the time they got to load cell number 20, load cells 1, 2 and 3 were starting to switch off. And that's due to the auto off setting that's in the handheld. So it was a little bit like spinning plates, but there's a very simple solution. So the simple solution is that in the handheld, if we go into the menu, then we can change the auto off setting. So if we press buttons 3 and 4 at the same time, then we go into the menu. Now from here we can scroll down to the auto off setting and then enter into that menu, and you'll see that the default there is 20, which relates to 20 minutes. So if we want to switch off auto off completely, we can change that down to 0. And then now if we exit from the menu, so scroll down to exit and enter. So now we've switched off the auto off setting, and that means that the handheld will stay connected and will not switch off until the batteries die. So this was perfect for the customer. It meant that they could set up all of their load cells. They had all the time to get all of their readings. The only thing that I would point out is that it's worth putting that auto off setting back to the default of 20 minutes at the end, because otherwise the handheld will stay off until the batteries have been consumed. So that's around 50 hours later. So hopefully this has been a useful tip. It was certainly useful for our customer weighing aircraft, and hope to see you next week. Thank you.